Let's go is so relatable and what she ate looks so delicious. Let's make that lunchbox. The first menu is chicken teriyaki. Start by sprinkling some salt and giving it a good coat of corn flour. This will make the sauce stick to the chicken better. Then toast it in a pan over medium heat until one side turns a nice golden brown. And then flip it over. While the chicken sizzling away, mix up the teriyaki sauce by stirring together some sugar, soy sauce, and mirin. I like to make it a bit thicker than usual so it's easier to pack in a lunchbox. Remove any extra oil from the pan and pour in that teriyaki sauce. Let it simmer until it thickens up and coats all sides of the chicken. Pour some frozen edamame into a pot with salt and boil them for 5 minutes. As for the spinach, take the lazy root and microwave it for 30 seconds. Then season it with sesame seeds, soy sauce, and a pinch of sugar. It's time to pack them up. I also add some pickled radish and umeboshi or pickled plum. This meal is super easy to make and has a great balance of flavors.